Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Liz, and today we're going to be making over the same cabinet two totally different ways. We're both starting with a really simple piece that could be used in so many different rooms throughout your home, from an entryway to a bedside table to a cocktail station. It's really versatile. For this makeover, all you need is some new hardware, a skewer, some peel and stick removable wallpaper, a wallpaper squeegee or a credit card, and an X-Acto knife or craft knife. You want to make sure you're starting with a really clean piece, so you want to wipe down the surface with a gentle cleaner or a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or lint or residue that could prevent the wallpaper from sticking. So this piece came with these really simple gold knobs, but I think I'm going to swap them out for something a little bit more fun. So I'm just going to remove them. And then it just comes right off. Measure the doors and the top of the cabinet, and then cut your wallpaper to size. Starting at one corner, begin to peel away the backing of the wallpaper and smooth it out with your hands or your squeegee. And this paper is really great because it's really sturdy and it's really forgiving. So if you mess up a little bit, you can always peel it off and start over. For a larger piece like this, it's helpful if you have a buddy help you. So again, we're gonna start at the back on both sides. Peel away enough of the backing so you can stick it in place and get it as close to the corner as you can. Use a pointed skewer to gently poke a hole through the wallpaper where your new hardware will go. And then simply reattach your new hardware, and you're done.
Well, I love the wallpaper that you used on your piece. I think I really would love to actually have that in my home on my walls. For my piece, I'm going to make it over using some fabric to give it a little softer feel and a little more homey. First, you're going to remove the cabinet doors with a screwdriver, and I would recommend keeping the doors in case you ever want to put them back on again and maybe make this cabinet a totally different piece. The next step that I did was measure the length of the dish towels to be how long I wanted them to be on the cabinet. And you're going to trim with very sharp fabric scissors and leave about 3 inches for the pocket for the tension rod to slide through. I wanted to make this project no-sew, so today we're going to use hem tape to create our pocket. I'm going to take the piece of hem tape and lay it on the raw edge of the fabric and fold over the dishcloth to make the pocket. Iron across to fuse the tape. Thread the tension rod through the pocket that I just created on all 3 dishcloths. So we'll put on the other end, screw it back on again, and screw this side so that it is long enough. And there you have it. To add an extra detail, I'm going to add a piece of grass cloth removable wallpaper to the top of the cabinet.
Alex, I think using the fabric was such a genius trick. It looks completely different from where it started. I love how it ended up. Be sure to check out GH's YouTube channel for more home decor tutorials.